Hi, I'm Ted, the lead developer at OinkChing. And here at OinkChing, we love piggy banks. They're a little reminder to save, and they're a universal symbol of fiscal responsibility. But lately, we've noticed a disturbing trend in the way some people use their piggy banks. Seems pretty simple, right? How do you use a piggy bank wrong? We'll explain this. And these. Today we're going to cover the basics, from start to finish. This is how to use a piggy bank. These are standard American coins. There are a few others, but we won't be covering specialty cases today. If you need help with that, please see the wiki. This is your average piggy bank with a slot on the top, and it works much in the same way you would expect. You simply take a coin and insert it into the slot. Repeat this step as needed until all your coins are safely inside the piggy bank. We are covering one edge case today. You're probably thinking, what about paper money? I'm glad you asked. As you can see, this particular piggy bank does not have paper money support built in. But there is a simple workaround. Fold your paper legal tender widthwise. Then do it again, and one final time. Now it's compatible with your piggy bank. And yes, the bill is unharmed, and you can spend it later at most establishments. This piggy bank, like many others, has a plug on the bottom. Using your fingernail, remove the plug, and simply rock your piggy bank back and forth until each coin slides out. You may need to manually remove your paper currency. Don't worry, this is common. Replace the plug and continue to use your piggy bank like normal. When the time comes to get your money out, the method of recovering your savings can vary from piggy bank to piggy bank. But the most important thing to remember is, do not smash your piggy bank with a hammer. You can reuse them 2, sometimes even 3 times. This piggy bank's a little trickier. The plug is actually here on the snout. Remove the plug and recover your coins. This is a rare cast iron piggy bank. There's no plug, but if you look closely, you'll find a Phillips head screw on the sow's flank. Simply unscrew it using a screwdriver and recover your coins. Once complete, place the pig back together and tighten the screw. This piggy bank, it's another plug design. And I just clipped my nails. Do you have fingernails? Okay. You can offer suggestions. Ted?